Hello guys, welcome to our channel.
The Bachelor Guyz.
I am Tuhin.
And I am Shubhandu Shah.
And let's start. Today we are going to review
the ESPORTS KM540 backlit keyboard. It also comes with a RGB lighting and it also consists of a mouse, and let's see what's inside the box. Come on. So guys, without any further delay, let's see what's inside the box and let's dive into some of its features.
it has a 7-colored LED light system,
Okay.
low latency response, and a metal alloy frame.
As you can see, it also consists of a large key traveling distance, and with the mouse and the coloring scheme, it's looking awesome, and I can't wait to unbox it and attach it to my desktop and see how it looks.
So let's unbox it.
Here is the keyboard, and here the box looks awesome, guys. And we can see the ESPORTS branding and the backlit keyboard. So let's open it. Oh my god, really feeling excited to opening it. And here is the box, and here is the first impression, guys. And here is a user manual which we don't usually read, so let's keep it aside. And here is a ESPORTS QR code scanner, and I don't know why did it give given. And let's see what's happened next. So let's keep it aside. And here is, I think, World of Warships QR code of ₹500, and I don't know this about this. So anybody knowing, please comment in the comment section, and let's see. Let's keep it aside. And here is the keyboard. We can see the keyboard. Oh my god, the alloy flame is looking awesome, and it's look pretty steady, I think, and it's pretty strong, and the alloy flame is providing a great stability. And here is the palm rest, and ESPORTS palm rest branding is there, and it gives a feel of a mechanical keyboard. I think at this price range, it's really giving an awesome experience. The keys are very flexible, and the membrane is also looks good. Let's see. And putting it aside, there is also the mouse, and the mouse is little heavy, I think, but it consists of a graded cable that is providing an awesome experience, I think, and the clicking experience is quite nice, I think. Yeah, really. Let's see how it looks while attaching it to the desktop, and let's move on to the next shot.
So let's do a practical test of the keyboard.
And here is the keyboard, and we have connected it to our desktop, and here is the keyboard, and you can see the keyboard is looking nice. And here we can see the lighting also. As we are using the flash, the light may look less bright, but from the front I am seeing that the light is really very high. And here is the 3 lighting schemes. We can see one is this, and another is this. And we can also increase this intensity by FN plus page up and FN plus page down, and if we want to off it, we can also do that. And here is the mouse, guys, and the mouse looks awesome, and the color keeps on changing each time. And here you can see the color is changing, and here we are using it, and it's also giving a nice in-hand experience. We can see that. And it also consists of 2 controllers on the left side and 2 right click and front click. As you can see that the color changed to green, and it's looking awesome, guys. The ESPORTS branding is there, and it's looking awesome. And let's increase the intensity of the light back to the normal level. And looking for the further, guys, you can see the light is also looking good, and my favorite one is this. My favorite one is this, and comment what's your favorite, this one, or this one. So, and that's all, guys, and this is the keyboard, and this is the mouse, and that's it. Thank you.
So this is it, guys. This keyboard at a price range of 1450 is completely worth it.
And yeah, looking at the specs and the other specifications, the 1450 is really justified, and the coloring is looking awesome, and I'm really glad to have such a keyboard in my desktop and my setup. So guys, That's it for the today, guys, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get every time notified when a new video of our channel is out. So,
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.